Welcome to our video on IPTV middleware. But first, explore the best IPTV provider at 2tv.store. Contact Nancy for exclusive insights. The link is in the description below. Let's dive into IPTV middleware, an essential component that transforms streaming experiences. It's the technological framework supporting seamless video delivery and functionality behind what you see on screen. Imagine a system managing all your streaming preferences automatically. IPTV middleware ensures smooth content delivery, personalizing user experience, and managing varied profiles effortlessly. At its core, IPTV middleware features content management, billing systems, user interfaces, and more, orchestrating a symphony of operations for an uninterrupted viewing pleasure. With this technology, providers can adapt swiftly to user needs, launching new services, improving quality, and securing content with impressive efficiency. Now that you're acquainted with IPTV middleware, explore further by contacting Nancy with 2tv.store. Elevate your streaming experience and stay ahead of tech trends.